Hello students, welcome to our English class. Let us move towards the grammar section. Now I am going to read the sentence here. Reddy Fox started down the lone little path. Reddy Fox was late already. Next sentence. I met a terrible monster. The monster frightened me. If you see here, underline the nouns. Reddy Fox. Next, monster. Both are the nouns. In the next sentence, if you see, we have cross out the Reddy Fox because we have to use here pronoun. We have to avoid the noun. So in place of noun, we have to use pronoun. He. Reddy Fox started down the lone little path. He was late already. Did you understand? This is the subject pronoun. Means he, it is he. Here it is the pronoun. Pronoun, what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Pronoun क्या है? Word which is used in place of noun. Reddy Fox. Which is the noun? Reddy Fox. We have to avoid the noun, so we have to use here pronoun. So today we are going to learn subject pronouns or pronouns. Next sentence. I met a terrible monster. The monster frightened me. Here monster is repeated. We have to avoid the noun. So we have to use here it. It is the pronoun. Once again I am going to read the sentence. Sentence. I met a terrible monster. It frightened me. So this is the called subject pronoun. Because it used in place of nouns. So it is called subject pronoun. Okay. In this sentence we have to cross the noun. And we have to use there in place of noun. We have to use pronoun. Pronoun which words? Do you know? Yes. He, she, it, I, you, you, he, she, it, they and we are subject pronouns. Why it is called subject pronoun? Because these pronouns comes in place of subject. It's come on the place of subject of the sentence. Here pronouns come in place of subject in a sentence of their sentence. So this is called subject pronoun. Okay students, let us move toward the exercise. Question I am going to read. Look at the picture. All of you look carefully this picture. Fill in the blanks with subject pronouns. One has been done for you. But use here subject pronoun. The children are playing in the park. Dash look very happy. All the children are playing in the park. Children are playing in the park. So we have to use here subject pronoun. If the children are, it is the plural, we should have to use they. Okay. They look very happy. Next, Maya is on the slide. Maya is on the slide. Dash she is wearing a purple shirt. So we have to use here pronoun. Maya, she is a girl. So we have to use here she. She, it is the pronoun. Subject pronoun we have to write because she, it is written in place of subject of their sentence, of its sentence. So she, it is the subject pronoun. She is wearing a purple shirt. Next, Ahmad is climbing up the slide. Dad is smiling. Ahmad is climbing up the slide. Ahmad is climbing up the slide. Here he is the Ahmad. He is climbing up. Dad is smiling. Who is smiling here? Ahmad. So we have to use here which pronoun? He. Who is smiling? Ahmad. So we have to write here he in place of noun. Means he, it is the subject pronoun. It's come in the sentence of the subject place. So he is smiling. Next, Raja is riding the swing. Raja is riding the swing. Here Raja is riding the swing. He is riding in the swing. Dash looks very happy. So we have to write here subject pronoun which will come. Who is looking very happy? Raja. So in place of Raja we have to write pronoun. Which will words come? He. Because Raja it shows male. So we have to write here he. He it is the subject pronoun. He used for the name of a boy, person, and she it is used for the girl, woman in place of noun. Girl or woman's names in place nouns. Maya it is the noun. In place of noun we have to use here she. Okay, let us move to the fifth. Tom is running to catch the ball. Tom is running here. Tom is running to catch the ball. Dash wearing a blue shirt. Who is wearing the blue shirt? Tom. So who is catching the ball? Tom. So here we have to write he because Tom is a boy. So we have to use here he in place of noun. Okay students, he is wearing a blue shirt. Let us move toward the object pronouns. Dear students, we have learned subject pronoun. It's come in place of subject place. Which pronoun come in place of subject place of the sentence. But here object pronoun means it's come in place of object place. Pronoun it's come in the place of object. Now I am going to read the sentence. You can understand very well. Let us see the example. My name is Reddy, and said Reddy Fox. Nobody can frighten me. Here highlighted word is me. Highlighted word is here me, which is the noun Reddy. Okay. Next, Peter Rabbit and Reddy Fox were friends. Everybody liked them. Here them used for the noun Peter Rabbit and Reddy Fox. Here two persons refer about them. Them is referred for the Peter Rabbit and Reddy Fox. So we have to use here them. But here me. My name is Reddy, said Reddy Fox. Nobody can frighten me. Who said this sentence? Reddy Fox said this sentence. So we have to write here me. Did you get? Nobody can frighten me. Me means here Reddy Fox. Okay. So me, them, these words come in place of object. Means it comes in place of object place. So we have to write here pronoun. Okay students, let us move. Did you understand, dear kids? Here me and them use in place of object place. Which are the pronouns? Me, him, her, them, us, you and it. It comes in place of the person. It comes in place of the person or people who receive the action of the verb. Who receive the action of verb. Verb which is here frightened, like. Okay. Who is the receiving action? The people or person. As I told, my name is Reddy. You have to look carefully this sentence. Listen carefully this sentence. Okay. My name is Reddy, said Reddy Fox. Nobody can frighten me. Who said this sentence? I am going to repeat once again, dear students. Reddy. Who is telling this sentence? Reddy Fox is telling. So, he said, nobody can frighten Reddy Fox. It means we have to write here pronoun. We have to use here me. Nobody can frighten me. because we have to avoid the pronoun. So me it is come in place of object pronouns. They are called object pronoun. Peter Rabbit and Reddy Fox were friends. Everybody liked them. Did you get? Peter Rabbit and Reddy Fox both are friends. So everybody like them means here Peter Rabbit and Reddy Fox. So we have to avoid Peter and Rabbit Fox. So we have to use here object pronoun them. Let us move towards next sentence. Peter Rabbit was very clever. Nobody could trick Peter Rabbit. We have to avoid here noun. So we have to use here him. Object pronoun. Peter Rabbit was very clever. Nobody could trick him. Okay. So this is the called object pronoun. Next, Peter Rabbit and Reddy Fox were friends. Nobody liked Peter Rabbit and Reddy Fox. We have to use here them. Did you get, dear kids? We have to avoid them. How did you get? How it come? Object pronoun them. We have to avoid noun. Okay. Let us move toward the exercise. Question B. Replace the words in bold with object pronoun. Here, bold words are highlighted here with a black color. We have to write their object pronoun. First, Peter Rabbit wanted his mother to read out a story. Last night, while father was cooking dinner, mother read a wonderful story to Peter Rabbit. Here, Peter Rabbit is repeated. So we have to avoid the Peter Rabbit. We have to avoid the noun. Once again I am going to read. Peter Rabbit wanted his mother read out a story. His mother wanted. Peter Rabbit wanted. He wanted means Peter Rabbit wanted his mother read out a story. Last night, while father was cooking dinner, mother read a wonderful story to whom? Peter Rabbit. So we have to write here him. Okay, next. Second, Granny brought a basket of tender young vegetables for mother, father and Peter Rabbit from Farmer Brown's garden. Here, Granny brought a basket of tender young cabbage for them from Farmer Brown's garden. Here we have to write here them in place of Peter Rabbit, mother and father. So I am writing them. I cross out mother, father and Peter Rabbit. Did you get? Third, Peter Rabbit's parents gave Granny a thank you present. We have to write as per mention in the object pronoun we have to use it. Replace the words in bold with object pronoun. Means we have to write object pronouns, not the subject pronoun. Here highlighted word it is by mistake has done already. So Peter Rabbit's parents gave her a thank you present. In place of Granny we have to write here her. Okay. Next, fourth, Peter Rabbit spotted Farmer Brown and his wife picking cabbages. Peter Rabbit hopped behind Farmer Brown and his wife and gave them a fright. Let us move to the answer. Peter Rabbit spotted Farmer Brown and his wife picking cabbages. Peter Rabbit hopped behind here Farmer Brown and his wife. In place of your right here them. Peter Rabbit hopped behind them and gave them a fright. Okay. So I cross out Farmer Brown and his wife. Next, they spotted Peter Rabbit and ran after Peter Rabbit with a rake. They spotted Peter Rabbit and ran after him with a rake. So I am cross out here Peter Rabbit and writing him. Okay, I am writing him in place of Peter Rabbit. Sixth number, when Peter Rabbit hid in the bramble bush, Farmer Brown threw threw the rag at Peter Rabbit. Once again, I am going to read the fifth sentence. They spotted Peter Rabbit. We have to write here him. I am cross out the Peter Rabbit, writing him. Okay. They spotted him and ran after Peter Rabbit. Here once again I am cut the or cross out Peter Rabbit and writing him with a rag. Next question. 6 number. When Peter Rabbit hid in the bramble bush, Farmer Brown threw the rag at Peter Rabbit. When Peter Rabbit, here Peter Rabbit and Farmer Brown already given the highlighted word, but it has done mistake, so we have to neglect them. When Peter Rabbit hid in the bramble bush, Farmer Brown threw the rag at him. So we have to cross out Peter Rabbit and we have to write there him. Okay. Dear students, complete this exercise.